Hello everyone, we both are here with the next episode of Hashtime with BFF. Today's topic is something that we both strongly stand by, and most of y'all who are listening would agree to the word feminism.
So we have seen this that there are millions of people who both inwardly and outwardly do not support the idea that there should be equal rights and equal opportunities for both men and women.
And there are thousands of people who feel we have already arrived at the equality for both men and women.
There are also thousands of people who believe we are not at all there yet and support equal rights for both men and women.
And there are thousands who believe in equal rights but find feminism a word that doesn't align with their personal belief.
So guys, first let's see what is feminism. So feminism means it is the fight for gender justice. So every corner of your life, it could be the work, politics, health, law, is all massively shaped by what gender you happen to be. Women have a lot less access to any profession, be it in politics, education, career, and birth, even today.
And we do more than our work to keep up the world going, but we do not get any recognition. We have a system where women are overworked but underpaid.
I also think that the whole world has essentially been brought up not to be a girl. How do we bring up boys? How does it mean to be a boy? To be a boy really means not to be a girl? To be a man means not to be a girl?
And to be a woman means not to be a girl. To be strong means not to be a girl. To be a leader means not to be a girl. I actually think that being a girl is so powerful that we train everyone not to be that.
That's so true. And I would also like to say that the irony, of course, is that denying girls, suppressing emotion, refusing feelings that has led us here.
And we are living in a world where the most extreme forms of violence, the most horrific poverty, mass rapes, the destruction of the earth is completely out of control.
And because we have suppressed our girl selves and suppressed our girl ships, we do not feel what is going on.
And I have heard people talking, and I mean men. Hey, you're a woman, you cannot do that. Hey, you're a woman, you cannot work here for longer. Women do not have any career apart from doing household work and taking care of family, which is not at all true in nowadays generation.
And also, hey, you cannot lift that. You are a woman and not strong enough. Hey, you are a woman, you will be married one day and you cannot pursue a career. You are a woman, why do you need to do your higher studies? We have to stop this thought process which most of them actually believe in even today.
And when you're walking on the street, why should you be bothered whether somebody is a woman or a man? It is not your business. In the working places, on the street, wherever else we are, why should it matter whether somebody is a man or a woman? Why can't you just treat them as human beings? I think we are excessively focused on this, which is creating a very unhealthy atmosphere.
That also means we are constantly infatuated with our body parts. That is why we are going on recognizing people by their gender. We are not recognizing people by their intelligence, by their capabilities, by their competence. It's not a fair way of looking at the world.
And for certain aspects of our life, gender is important. Gender is only valid in relationships. In the rest of the relationships, gender should not even come into the picture. Only then there will be equality. So, we have come across few reasons why so many hate the term feminism and the feminist movement. So, we think the first reason could be people think feminism means it is with a strong, forceful, and angry woman.
And the second reason could be many people fear that feminism will eventually lose out of men. It could be of power, influence, impact, authority, and control, and also in the economic opportunities.
And the third reason could be many people believe that feminists want to control the world and put men down.
And the last reason could be many people fear that feminism will overturn traditions, religious beliefs, and establish gender roles. And that feels scary. And also, guys, we have to remember that our very own existence began in a woman's body. We should not talk about women's rights. We should talk about human rights where it is the rights of both men and women equally.
All human beings should have equal rights. One can choose what they want to do. Nothing should force one to change their opinion. Both the genders are equally important for this world.
Over the past few years, people's thinking have changed and they strongly stand by feminism. But there are still few people here and there that I have come across who see women down. You guys should change and erase out the myth that we are not equal to men. And also, there are few differences between men and women which are natural. But feminist stands against the differences created by humans.
Yes, absolutely right. And we both stand by human rights. So, guys, we try to convey the same, that the world has human rights but not women rights in specific. And we hope our voices should raise for human rights. So, this brings us to the end of this episode, guys. And if you like to write back to us, you can do that on any social media platform. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, #TimeWithBFF.